App Creator, Push Notifications, Part 2. Alright, so in Part 1, what we did was create the topics in which we're going to send our notifications to. And now in Part 2, I'm going to show you how to create the actual push notifications. I recommend that if you haven't watched Part 1, you go do that first and then watch Part 2. Okay, so what we're going to do is come on push notifications. And we're going to start. We can give it a name. We can change the icon here, activate or deactivate. But to add a new notification, we're going to press the plus sign and start by giving it a title. So I'm going to put here, look at this car. Okay, and the message is going to be click here to see a cool video of this new McLaren. Okay, now what we can also do is insert a cover image here if we want to. I'm going to get the McLaren here. Alright, now after you crop, you press OK. Let's get that here. And then we can choose to open a feature or a custom URL. So what we can do is choose one of the features inside of our application here. I could choose to open up the video if I have a cool video inside my app, or I can send them to a custom URL. So let's just say, for example purposes, I'll send them to google.com. Okay, once we do that, we're going to press the arrow to go forward. Alright, now we also have the option to send it to no specific location, which just means anybody and everybody who's downloaded the app, or we can send to a specific location. Choose a location here and set a radius in kilometers in which people will receive this. So everybody within, so we put Las Vegas within 50 miles will receive this notification. So we're going to send, just for this tutorial, to no specific location. Press the forward arrow, and then we can also send to all my users or send to specific topics, which is what we're going to do in this case. Okay, so we're going to select here, and as we did in Part 1, we've made two different topics, exotic cars and party invitations. Mine is going to be exotic cars for this, and I'm going to press forward. Okay, so additional information, you can choose to send it now or on a specific date. When you choose that, the calendar will pop up for you, and you can choose a time here by selecting the sliders and selecting done. Okay, so we're going to send it now, and then press OK when you're ready. Now, as of right now, because our application is not published, we're going to get this red message here up top. Simply what this is saying is that you cannot test or see your push notifications work on your phone until the application is published. Okay, but you can create them here just to see how the process is working. I will talk to you next tutorial.